Hello, welcome to the vlog. I feel like these last few vlogs have been basically pointless because it's like the exact same thing. I'm sitting on this couch telling you that I still don't feel good, and that's still the case. I feel overall a bit better, but I've got this, and this is what happens at the end of a cold. I get like this super asthmatic like cough that just sucks, and that is where I find myself right now, and I hate this part. And sometimes it'll last for a couple days. So I'm hoping that that won't be the case. But it's like if I go do anything kind of physically active, my chest just tightens up and I start kind of wheeze coughing. It's no bueno. I don't like it. So it's like that. It's no bueno. She's trying to take care of me. She gave me some tea and stuff. But it still sucks. Like, I promise that when I'm feeling better, these vlogs will be more interesting. Hopefully. Get back to actually doing things. But right now, like, I canceled all my voice lessons this week. I've just been working on stuff at the office pretty much, and then that's kind of it. And then coming home and just crashing. So that's what I'm gonna try to do tonight. Get some more sleep. Hopefully feel better tomorrow. Yeah. So I apologize. Last few vlogs have been pretty because I just have felt pretty terrible. So anyway, that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully I'm feeling a bit better.